If you would like to learn how to do these DIY projects at home to give to your loved one, keep on watching this video. Let's get started with the 10 Valentine's Day DIYs for this Valentine's Day for your loved one. For the first DIY, we're going to need a basket. You can use any basket that you have at home. I decided to buy the popcorn basket, because I thought they were kind of cute for a gift basket. You can also buy the ones from the dollar store and then just paint red marks on it if you'd like. They have some pretty plain white baskets at the dollar store. I'm just trying to share with you guys a variety of DIY projects that you can do at home, also at a low cost. A lot of these things I purchased from Dollar Tree, and I know you can find a lot of cute things at your local dollar store. It might not seem like it, but this basket is pretty deep, you guys. I was trying to find things that way I could fill it up, and then the treats would stand out at the top. And to finish it off, I printed some movie tickets with my printer. I just got an image online and I wrapped it with plastic transparent wrap. For this next DIY, it's really cute. You're going to purchase a couple of things that you know that your loved one likes. I put some beer, so this DIY project would be this is for adults over the age of 21. In case you still want to do this DIY, then you can always fill it up with your favorite drink or the drink that your loved one likes. For example, it could be a Coke, it could be possibly a water or something that's flavored. If you're not too happy with the way it turned out, don't worry, you can always exchange it with anything of your choice. For this third DIY, we're going to be using a cardboard box, and I bought this box from Walmart. I'm going to be putting some beer and then a champagne, did I say that right? We're going to be using some chocolate roses and some artificial roses that I purchased at Walmart. I know they have them at the dollar store as well. For the fourth Valentine's Day DIY, we're going to be decorating a tennis shoe box. Yes, I got my husband some tennis shoes, and I think this one's going to be his Valentine's Day gift. And I wanted to decorate the box. And one more thing that I would like to mention is they have some pretty cute Valentine's Day cards at Dollar Tree, and you might want to grab one or even a couple, because you can use the Valentine's Day cards not only just to give a card, but you can also decorate your box or any DIY that you're making. You can customize it with one of those Valentine's Day cards from the Dollar Tree. Now for this next DIY, we're going to be using Kinder Sorpresa. These chocolates are my husband's favorites, which is why I wanted to get these chocolates for him. I'm going to be doing two different DIYs with the same chocolates. One of them is going to be the soccer ball container, and the other one, it was a box that I had, and you can always put tissue paper and customize it. That way it looks like the box is really cute and not just plain cardboard. For the next DIY, I'm going to be taking some chips that I got my husband. We haven't tried these, but I'm actually excited to do so. I'm going to be putting some toiletries or things that he does need, and I'm gonna be giving those as a gift. Now for DIY number 8, once again we're going back with the Kinder Joy or the Kinder Sorpresa. These chocolates are great. I'm so happy that I finally was able to find them. They have them at your local Walmart. I would have liked to make some more DIYs that you can eat, like edible strawberries or something like that. I'm going to be making for the last DIY is a michelada. I'm going to be camarones or some shrimp, some chili, chamoy, and tomatoes and avocados and cucumber as well. Remember, you can customize anything up to your liking. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching this video for this channel. I'm going to be sharing with you guys cleaning videos. Those are the videos that I want to focus on for this year. So if you like cleaning videos, motivation to clean, get organized for this year, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I know this is a bit different. I haven't shared a video like this in quite a while. I think the last video I did was possibly 3 years ago. I'm not quite sure. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you that you're watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to come back and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. Take care guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.